a headboard. Add eyes to the headboard. Add a mouth. Finally, add a bow.
I like it.
Decorate another head for the other bed. Decorate ears and face to make a headboard.
So cute.
Add 2 bows at the foot of the bed.
Amazing. Can you draw me a picture?
Okay, let me. You can draw along with me. Next, color and decorate the picture.
I like it. They are so pretty. This bed is so pretty. I have to go to sleep. Haha, I like this color. I like the bed.
Stack the cardboard to make a kitchen cabinet. Add cabinet door to make a cabinet.
Excellent.
Mix these 2 clumps of clay to make a kitchen table. Attach it to the kitchen table. Do it evenly. Use this straw to make a faucet.
Wow! That's amazing!
Don't do that anymore. It's messy.
Oh, I remember.
Use this clump of clay to make a blue kitchen. Decorate its face. Add eyes. Add hair. Lots of hair. Add a kitchen counter and decorate it. And you're done.
So cute. Amazing.
Put the edges together to make a cabinet. Add stuff and you're done.
I can help you make things.
Then help me with this.
Okay.
Thank you.
I finished making the head.
Wow, you're so fast.
So it's done. I like it.
Give me a carrot. Don't cry. Let me hold it. Squeeze it out to make a sofa. Add a face to it. Decorate it. Finally, add the necessary parts to make a chair.
Excellent.
Use this clump of clay to make a TV. Arrange the colors and cut off all the excess. Finally, decorate it done.
I like it.